Hey there, beauty lovers! Are you using a konjac sponge in your skincare routine? If so, stick around because I'm about to share 5 easy tips to help you get the most out of this amazing beauty tool. Caring for your konjac sponge is essential for maximizing its lifespan. A well-maintained sponge not only lasts longer but also provides the best cleansing experience, ultimately saving you money over time. 1. Always rinse your sponge thoroughly after each use to remove any leftover product and dirt, preventing buildup. 2. After rinsing, gently squeeze out excess water instead of wringing it, as wringing can damage the fibers and shorten its lifespan. 3. Keep your konjac sponge in a dry area where it can air out. Avoid wet or humid spots to prevent mold growth. 4. Even with great care, konjac sponges wear out over time. Aim to replace yours every 1 to 3 months to ensure optimal results. 5. Be cautious about the cleansers you use with your sponge. Stick to gentle products, as harsh chemicals can break down the sponge material. Start by rinsing your sponge right after each use. You might even set a weekly reminder on your phone to check its condition. If it feels too soft or changes color, it's likely time for a replacement. One common mistake is leaving your sponge in the shower or near the sink, where it can remain damp. Additionally, avoid using it on broken skin, as that can irritate your complexion. And there you have it, 5 simple tips to extend the life of your konjac sponge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Happy cleansing! Hey there, beauty lovers! Are you using a konjac sponge but unsure how to keep it in top shape? Stick around, because today we're uncovering some surprising truths about caring for this must-have beauty tool. Proper care for your konjac sponge is crucial. A well-maintained sponge lasts longer, saving you money while ensuring your skin gets the best treatment. Plus, it keeps your skincare routine effective and hygienic. Who doesn't want that radiant glow? 1. After each use, rinse your konjac sponge thoroughly with warm water. Instead of wringing it out, gently squeeze to remove excess water. This simple step helps prevent bacteria growth too. Always hang your sponge to dry in a well-ventilated area. Avoid storing it in a closed container or damp spot, as moisture can lead to mold. A suction cup hook in your shower works wonders for this. 3. Even with the best care, konjac sponges should be replaced every 2 to 3 months. Keep an eye on its texture. If it looks worn or frayed, it's time for a new one to keep your skin happy. 4. Don't use your konjac sponge with harsh cleansers or exfoliators. Stick to gentle, natural products to maintain both the sponge's integrity and your skin's health. 5. Before your first use, or if it's dried out, soak your sponge in warm water until it's soft and plump. This ensures an effective cleanse and a soothing experience. Rinse your sponge after each use. Hang it in a dry spot. Set a reminder to replace it every couple of months. Pair it only with gentle cleansers. Always soak before using. Many people forget to dry their sponges properly, which can lead to unwanted bacteria. Also, avoid tossing it in the washing machine. It can ruin its texture. So there you have it. With just a few simple tips, you can extend the life of your konjac sponge and enhance your beauty routine. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Hey beauty lovers! Ever wondered how to keep your konjac sponge fresh and performing at its best? Stick around because today, I'm sharing the secrets to extending the life of your favorite beauty tool. Konjac sponges are fantastic for gentle cleansing and exfoliating, making them a must-have in your skincare routine. However, without proper care, they can wear out quickly, meaning you're not maximizing your investment. Learning how to care for your sponge can save you money and keep your skin glowing. Always rinse your konjac sponge thoroughly after each use to remove dirt, makeup, and product residue, preventing buildup. Just like washing your face, it's key to keeping everything clean too. After rinsing, gently squeeze out excess water and hang your sponge in a well-ventilated area to dry. Avoid closed containers or damp spots. Good airflow is essential to prevent mold and bacteria. Point 3. When you're not using your sponge, keep it in a cool, dry place. A small dish or mesh bag works wonders, but remember to avoid steamy bathrooms, as heat